FYI Threads tips and tricks. Threads is a new app from Meta that lets you start enjoying public conversations with people who share your interests. Here are some tips and tricks that you can use to get the best out of Threads. Mute unnecessary accounts. If you don't want to see updates from certain accounts on your home menu, you can mute them by tapping on their profile picture and selecting Mute Superscript 1. Keep your thread replies to limited profiles. If you want to control who can reply to your threads, you can go to Settings Privacy who can reply and choose from everyone, people you follow, or only people you mention. Follow accounts from Instagram. If you want to follow more accounts on Threads, you can tap on the Discover icon at the bottom and then tap on the Instagram icon at the top. This will show you a list of accounts that you follow on Instagram that are also on Threads. You can tap on the follow button next to each account to follow them on Threads. Change your profile picture on Threads. If you want to change your profile picture on Threads, you can go to Settings Edit Profile and tap on the profile picture icon. You can choose to import your profile picture from Instagram or select a new one from your gallery. Customize your notification experience. If you want to manage your notifications on Threads, you can go to Settings Notifications and choose from various options such as sound, vibrate, LED color, etc. You can also turn off notifications for specific accounts by tapping on their profile picture and selecting Turn Off Notifications. Share your Threads profile. If you want to share your Threads profile with others, you can go to Settings Share Profile and choose from various options such as Copy Link, Share via Instagram, Share via WhatsApp, etc. You can also scan other people's QR codes or show yours to add them as friends on Threads. Take a break on Threads. If you want to take a break from Threads, you can go to Settings Take a Break and choose how long you want to pause your activity on Threads. This will mute all notifications and hide your online status until you resume your activity. Hide words and phrases. If you want to hide certain words or phrases from appearing on your home menu or Threads, you can go to Settings Hidden Words and add the words or phrases that you want to hide. You can also unhide them anytime by tapping on the eye icon next to each word or phrase. Start with a bang. When creating a thread, make sure that your first post is catchy and engaging. You can use a controversial statement, a curious question, or an interesting fact to hook your audience instantly. Be clear and concise. While creating a thread, keep your posts short and to the point. Avoid unnecessary details and focus on the main message. Use bullet points, emojis, or hashtags to make your posts more readable and attractive.